Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we will be discussing about the digestion of the food. Mostly we'll be concentrating on the nutrients, various types of nutrients and its breakdown, how they are broken down, because of the presence of which type of enzymes they are broken down. First, let us talk about proteins. Proteins, these because of the presence of various proteolytic enzymes that are present in the pancreatic juices, the proteins are broken down into smaller peptides. What are those? For example, proteins, because of the presence of trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidases in the pancreatic juices, proteins are converted into smaller dipeptides. In case of carbohydrates, carbohydrates are mostly converted into disaccharides like maltose because of the presence of pancreatic amylase. In addition to that, salivary amylase, it also converts starch, which is a carbohydrate, into maltose, which is a disaccharide. Now, if we talk about fats because of the presence of lipase enzyme which is activated in the presence of bile juices, it is converted to di or monoglycerides. And nucleic acids, they are broken down by the presence of nucleases into nucleosides or nucleotides. Now let us take a look on some of the important molecules which are broken down into smaller or simpler products. For example, dipeptides, because of the presence of enzyme dipeptidases, it is broken down into very smaller molecules, amino acids, which can be easily absorbed into the bloodstream from the villi in the intestine. Maltose, which is a disaccharide which was initially broken by the salivary amylase from carbohydrates, it can be broken down by the enzyme maltase into two molecules of glucose. Similarly, lactose, which is mostly present in the milk, can be broken down by the enzyme lactase into glucose and galactose. So, one molecule of glucose and one molecule of galactose. Now, sucrose, because of the presence of enzyme sucrase, it can be broken down into glucose and one molecule of fructose. Similarly, the nucleotides, because of the presence of enzyme nucleosidases, it is broken down to nucleosides and also further into sugars and smaller bases. Di and monoglycerides, which was initially the fats were broken down into di and monoglycerides because of the presence of enzyme lipases. So, these lipases can break down these into fatty acids and glycerol. Now, the breakdown of the nutrients which we are talking about, this breaking down into very smaller particles, this mostly happen in the duodenum region, that is the C-shaped region of the smaller intestine. Then after that, the absorption of the digested product happen in two regions, the jejunum and mostly in the ileum regions, because the ileum region is mostly highly coiled. So because of this coiling, the enzymes and the food products, digested products, are present for a longer period of time in this region. So the food gets much more time in order to get absorbed into the bloodstream. Now the undigested and the unabsorbed substances are passed into the large intestine, and from the large intestine through the rectum and the anus, it is thrown out of the body. So in this video, we have talked about how the nutrients and its breakdown, how the nutrients are broken down because of the presence of which type of enzymes. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.